Welcome to the modern, unified, and integrated data analytics platform. In this video, we will explore Workflow 6. The primary objective of Workflow 6 is to leverage the Script Executor job to execute code snippets or scripts in languages such as Go, Julia, and Python. This workflow demonstrates how to seamlessly fetch code from a Git repository and run it within the platform, ensuring flexible and efficient script execution. Let's get started. The live demo of BDB Platform. Our journey begins at the login page. Here, you'll input your credentials to access the platform. Enter your username and password, then click the Sign button to proceed. Once logged in, we'll navigate to the home page of the platform. The BDB Platform's home screen is the central hub where users effortlessly access their assigned files, reports, and dashboards. It's the starting point for easy navigation and quick access to your content. To begin, access the app menu and locate the apps icon in the top right corner. Select Data Pipeline Plugins from the menu options. Click on the Create icon to initiate the job creation process. Then navigate to the Pipeline or Job Creation window and click the Create button in the Job section to initiate job creation. Provide a suitable job name like Workflow 6 and a description such as Script Executor Job, Job Base Info. Clicks on drop-down and you will find different type of job options: Spark Job, PY Spark Job, Python Job, and Script Executor. Select the Script Executor option from the Job Base Info. Clicks on Save button. Upon saving, you'll be directed to the job canvas where you can start building the job. Congratulations! You've successfully configured a Script Executor job. Workflow 6. Configure Script Executor component. We'll walk through setting up the Script Executor to fetch and run code from your Git repository. First, select the Personal option from the drop-down menu. When the Personal option is selected, you need to provide the following information. Git URL. Enter the Git URL based on the platform you're using. For GitHub, https://github.com. For GitLab, https://gitlab.com. Username. Enter your Git username. Token. Provide the access token or API token for authentication and authorization, essential for securely fetching and executing code. Let's go to GitLab. Open your GitLab instance and navigate to the repository. Upload the script. Click on the plus icon. Select Upload File. Choose your Python file from your local system. Let's just go back to Pipeline and configure all the mandatory fields. Specify the branch where your code is stored for execution. Script type. From the drop-down, choose the language in which the script is written. Go, Julia, Python. Start script. Enter the script's file name, including its extension. For example, Python script. script_name.py. Go script. script_name.go. Start function. Specify the function or method to be executed first, particularly useful for languages like Python, where reusable functions are common. Repository. Enter the name of the Git repository. Input arguments. Provide any input parameters or arguments required for executing the script. These inputs can include dynamic values or configuration settings that influence the script's behavior. And that's it. By configuring these settings, the Script Executor will be ready to fetch and run your code seamlessly within the platform. Update and execute the job. Now it's time to update and execute the job. Navigate to the Update Job icon. Next, activate the job to initiate the execution process. Log section. Check the logs to monitor the job's progress and status. This includes deploying the necessary drivers and executors based on node availability. Once everything is deployed successfully, the job proceeds to execution. Great script executed successfully. Thank you for your efforts in executing Workflow 6. I hope you all are now able to run it successfully. This workflow demonstrates how the Script Executor job efficiently handles code snippets in Go, Julia, and Python by fetching them from a Git repository. Your support is greatly appreciated.